up, guys? Will here from Eurofed. Here for another Eurofed vlog. We're here at Eurofed Atlanta, so please join me while I take you for a tour of the store. Hi, John.
Hi, Will.
So, guys, so this is John. He's the manager of our Atlanta store. So he's the one who's taking care of this entire facility for us, and he's helped out by our man Dylan right here.
Hey.
Got everyone, Dylan.
Hey.
But yeah, so this is basically our service team here at Eurofed Atlanta. So what do you have in the shop today?
We have...
I do know we have a few toys in the back.
We do. We got Mclarens. So, shall we go in the back?
Yes. Okay.
We do a lot of performance here. So... Alright.
So, one thing we've gotten really good at is making Mclarens pretty decently fast. So, thankfully with the help of DME Tuning, we're actually in the stages of doing a downpipe install on this 570S. And there we go.
The downpipe has clothes on it.
Yeah. So how much horsepower should it be making when it's all said and done?
So I think this thing picks up an extra 170 horsepower from stage 2. So it's going to be right around high 600s, depending on if you dyno it or if you're just talking about flywheel horsepower. But these things are stupid fast after just a downpipe.
And from factory they're fast, so I can't even imagine how fast it is afterwards. But
yeah, and they sound great because they're spooling their faces off.
No, this thing's pretty cool though. It's in a really weird Nardo purple.
No, lavender.
Sorry.
Get it right. Get it right though.
Nardo purple.
That's the internet name for it.
Actually, here's our head performance tech, Amari.
Fine.
Downpipes on the beast.
Make some power.
Yeah. A little sound.
Make a little boost sounds.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's gonna toot.
Yeah.
It's gonna poop.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna boogie.
Yeah. It's only get this up. It's only 2 bolts. Then you yank it back.
Really?
Yep.
That's it?
Yep. Unbolt these 2 torques. Pull up the back, and then you yank it back. It pops up.
Oh.
What's funny is Omari will say that, and then I will attempt to do that, and it'll take 4 hours.
Or you'll just break it.
Yeah, or I will for sure break. I love how techs say like, dude, it takes like 5 minutes to do. Just unbolt this and undo that.
Yeah. Well, that's why I get paid a big
Yeah.
Ready to rumble tomorrow.
Let's move on.
Yeah. So, British supercars next. Then we have.
Those are the pretty cars. Then we get to the dirty cars that make the shop money as well. And we like to cater to, like this good old 6 Series right here that we're putting a new motor in. Well, used motor. So making it nice again. Yeah. So that's the plan. But these are our bread and butter. I mean, we do have the supercars we see as well, but these are
You hefty amount of maintenance.
Yeah. We have good customers that know what maintenance means, and they take care of their cars, and their cars keep on running. So
Exactly.
that's what happens.
But then we get to do fun things like this TTRS, which is
Yeah, this is my favorite car.
mine too. Just because it's the most Audi of Audis, because 5-cylinder all-wheel drive, and it's gonna kill supercars when we're going with it.
These things are stupid fast with just a couple mods.
I love the spec of this thing, the burnt orange,
Black interior,
black interior.
diamond stitching.
But the coolest thing is the intercooler piping that our guy Collins over here just made.
Yes.
That-
Yeah, go take a look.
Yeah, actually. How's it going, Collins? Collins is one of our techs here at Atlanta. He's actually the one doing the full work on the TTRS. He's also one of our main fabricators, so you'll see that he made this really, really beautiful intercooler piping, all from titanium, all from hand, just from Collins. So what can't you make?
Oh man.
Right.
Nothing. He hasn't found out
You
yet.
haven't found out yet, so
We have no idea.
how many Aventador exhausts have you done so far?
3.
3 Aventador exhausts, numerous R8 exhausts. If you want a good exhaust, we have our guy to make it for you. So, but yeah, man, we'll leave you back to this little monster.
Oh yeah. Get it wrapped up.
Get it wrapped up and
We're almost done.
hear those nice 07K sounds. But yeah, so these cars are so monstrously capable just because of the power plant. That 07K 2.5 liter turbo engine is so overbuilt from Audi that actually one of the main things why it's easy to tune is because most cars, when you tune them, they're fuel limited. So pretty much when tuners, they'll get to a certain like fuel level and they just can't go more. This car has 2 injectors per cylinder from factory. So that's why they want these 2. It's really easy to make power out of them because they have that kind of like.
Well, and also when you want to go with E85, which you always need more fuel to go E85, you can just slap in another set of injectors that aren't $1 million because they're not direct injectors and make almost 600 horsepower. So I'd say it's pretty good.
Yeah, and all of that from just a few parts, which is hysterical. Like we're not building the motor on this, and in today's world, we're able to have a TT that with 600 horsepower pretty easily.
This is probably like $4 grand in parts.
Yeah.
And it's gonna, yeah. Anyway.
So
right.
we'll
hopefully
we'll do a quick film on this car a little bit specifically just to show off the performance of it. So definitely look out for that one, bud. Moving on, what else have we got?
This is another modification car, kind of. From the factory, these cars came with Airmatic, which is just a factory system of air ride for Mercedes. And you can change them out with BC Racing coilovers to do a Airmatic to what they call a coilover conversion. And it changes the air spring, which are over there, if you want to show that thing, to a coil spring, which is right next to it.
But very, very common failure point for most older Mercedes is this air suspension. So either, I think, how often have we replaced air bags?
All the time.
It's at least once a week we'll get that one S-Class just looks slammed. Looks really dope, but rides like crap. But
yeah, this one came in, we had to actually push the fenders back out because it pushed the fenders in.
So this is one of the fixes you can do if you want it full longevity, is do a full coilover conversion.
Yeah, this will last longer. It's going to be a little stiffer. It's not going to be quite the Mercedes-Benz ride that I guess some people are used to, but it's better than spending $4,000 on a whole new setup. This is
Oh yeah, so one of our
car.
Yeah, so this is actually a huge new venture we've kind of tackled now is vinyl wrapping. We're in the middle of doing a full color change of our district manager Peter's R8. So we're going from this wonderful white to this majestic, what is it, Mexico blue?
Yes, I think that's I've heard Miami blue, Mexico blue, I've heard a couple different blues.
It's a really nice blue.
It's a really pretty blue.
But, hey Angie, so, hi everyone, this is Angie. She's the one responsible for all the vinyl wrapping you've seen us doing.
I'm responsible?
Oh, I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah, hi everyone.
But, so how long the turnaround do you think you would, for a full color change car, typically?
3 to 5 days.
3 to 5 days?
Yeah, on the size of it.
And so what mostly do you do as far as wrapping? It's like,
I do partial and full color change as well as commercial graphics, racing stripes, wheel power coating, ceramic coating.
I know you did a rainbow Camaro the other day.
Yeah.
That was pretty.
Yeah, everybody has been tagging me on that. Like,
Really?
Yeah. I like it. I like different stuff. I don't like, something that stands out like this color.
Oh, this will,
you know.
This will definitely stand out. But awesome, yeah. So if you want any wrapping done, we'll take care of it, or hit up Angie. She'll be the one to help you out with that.
So anyway,
that's one of our latest things we're offering is full color change wraps.
Wrapping, paint protection film, chrome deletes are also very popular, and they're a lot cheaper than wrapping a whole car.
What is a chrome delete?
Chrome delete is when you have, well, I can't find a car that I can show you, but it's when you have chrome door handles, chrome strips on the bumpers, chrome anything in the car, and you want it to turn black. Then we can make that happen. Or any color, honestly. Whatever.
But please, just do black. Don't do anything else.
Come on, let's do pink.
Anyway, what we can do is now turn to the old people corner. The old people corner. You've seen us post a lot about this car. It's actually one of our first ever truly big builds that we did in house was this 993. What we did was it's a 96 993 Porsche Carrera S, and we tore it all the way down to the shell and built it up from the ground up. So, right now we're in the middle of actually redoing the interior. So I'll show you a little sneak peek of the car. and then we'll do actually a full in-depth. But right now,
Okay, that was enough.
once that's all done, we will we'll give you a full tour of this car because it's honestly one of my favorite cars we've built to date. Just because it's badass.
It's pretty.
It's pretty and sounds badass.
Yeah, sounds like a Cam V8.
Like on the this car on the highway is hysterical because
Yeah.
you can literally hear it bounce between the walls of the highway, and the shifter is the best shifter in the world.
Yeah.
I want that shifter in all my cars. Another thing we have, which is very fun, is our own in-house heartbreaking machine. Begin dyno montage footage.
This is a Dynojet. We bought it specifically for the store to tune cars, and right now we're actually going through some maintenance on it, but it will be back up and running in the next couple weeks. And it is an all-wheel drive dyno, so whether you have an Evo or anything rear-wheel drive,
Or a big power TTRS.
or a big power TTRS.
So,
We can dyno your car. You can tell you how much horsepower you're not making, how much you thought you made that you aren't anymore. All right, guys, thanks for coming. Make sure you like and sub. All right, guys, thanks for coming. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
no words. Sorry. All right, so.
All right.
So that was our first YouTube fail. Step on open the hood, we can't fucking do that. I want a Mark IV. I don't think I have good choice in cars.
I'm just testing out a strip to see how deep I want to go in here. Because, you know, I like to go as deep as I can.
It's real.
Okay, so tell us a little bit more about the E30. And when are we going to see this thing?
Whenever Il Trail Phil decides to finish working on it.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, put that on him.
All right. Trill Phil.
Now it's on.
I don't even got any words, man. Hook my mans up. We need an epic burnout video.
We need the 1J attached to an E30. That's not a car. That's just a 1J attached to an E30.
It is, pretty much.
All right, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.